You clicked on this video for a reason: to fix Escape Tsunami for Brainrots. Not working on mobile so you can actually load in and play instead of crashing, freezing, or getting stuck. I got you, so stick with me. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes like this. First, lower your Roblox graphics before joining. On mobile, go to Roblox settings, set graphics mode to manual, and drop it to 1 to 2 bars. This game uses heavy effects, and high graphics can stop it from loading on phones. Next, fully restart Roblox. Don't just leave the game. Close the Roblox app completely, wait a few seconds, then reopen it and try joining again. Mobile cache buildup is one of the biggest reasons this game won't start. Now, check your device memory, close all background apps before launching Roblox. If your phone is low on RAM, the game can crash or freeze during the loading screen. If it still doesn't work, switch servers. Leave the game, scroll down to servers, and join a different one. Some servers bug out after updates, especially right after the game gets popular. For iPhone users, make sure low power mode is off. Power saving throttles performance and can prevent the game from finishing its load. On Android, turn off battery optimization for Roblox if it's enabled. One more fix that works fast: log out of Roblox, log back in, then rejoin the game. This refreshes your session and fixes account side loading bugs. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your phone model and exactly what happens, and I'll help you fix it.